Now let's hear from our other friends in this sponsored segment.
We're back with the Guthrie Clinic, this time talking about their growing respiratory therapy team. Tom Heil, Director of Respiratory and Neurodiagnostic Services at Guthrie Robert Packer Hospital Sayre Campus, is here with more. Welcome, Tom. It's great to have you.
Good morning. It's great to be here.
Yeah, let's talk about this growing team and the patients that you guys are serving.
Well, what we're doing is, you look at healthcare, it's evolving. At Guthrie, respiratory care is evolving as well. And we're actually reconfiguring to have the therapist focus on the patients as far as education and ventilator management, critical care, work more at the top of our license.
Yeah, and we've been hearing a lot from you guys at the Guthrie Clinic, and it sounds like it's an excellent place to work, and there's a lot of incentives and a lot of room for growth within the company, which I know a lot of people watching might be really excited to hear about. And we're about to up the ante a little bit. I've heard something about a sign-on bonus.
Yes,
Let's talk.
We have a $15,000 sign-on bonus available, other incentives and opportunities for advancement.
Yeah, I mean, that's huge. That could be life-changing, and it could really jumpstart a career for a lot of folks watching. And then once you're in that career, advancement opportunities are plentiful. We understand that from Guthrie. So maybe can we walk through maybe on the respiratory team side of things, how that advancement might look?
Sure. We have 5 hospitals, and within those hospitals we have a leadership structure that includes team leaders, supervisors, managers, and so there's opportunity in that direction. But additionally, we began the program that's called Clinical Advancement Program, or Clinical Ladders is a common term. And what that does is gives the opportunity for people interested in growing professionally, growing the profession itself, and developing and being more engaged in the department, an opportunity for incentives for them as well.
Yeah, not to mention the different forms of respiratory therapy offered and how you can grow within that. Can you walk us through some of those?
Sure. We have 5 hospitals within the Guthrie system, and each one has its own flavor. There are common things that we do, ventilator management and things like that, basic respiratory care at all hospitals. Some we do cardiovascular testing as well, and additionally pulmonary rehab. So there's a little bit of something for everyone.
Absolutely, and we're serving a lot of communities because we have so many campuses, not least of all, right? So there's lots of opportunities to work, to be served, and I think that's got to feel pretty good on your end to start those relationships.
It does.
Yeah.
It's an opportunity for either a small, close-knit community where everyone knows someone, or be someplace close by to enjoy yourself.
Right, and imagine the career that could flourish from there. So if someone's interested in learning a little bit more, maybe specifically about the respiratory team, what's the best way to reach out?
Best way would be to go to careers.guthrie.org or to call 570-887-4401.
Amazing. Lots of resources available. Tom, thanks for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course.